My name is Paula Simbaña. I talk about my crazy style. Today, this Sunday, I'm gonna have a party with my friends. The Jessie's birthday. She is 23 years old. She's gonna be 23 years old. We are gonna go to the discotheque in the Amazonas Avenue. Its name is Sambuca. It's very beautiful discotheque. It has young music. It has many activities for to do here. We are going to drink beer. We're gonna go to dance. Many kinds of music. I gonna go to use a skirt, a blue jean skirt, a socks black, a white blouse, and jeans blue. I use a sporty shoes. I like this style because it's very crazy.